Hi everyone, it's been a while. Today I'm back and I have a Glossier haul. I love Glossier. I actually only have one product from them, and it's this stretch concealer. And I've owned it for like 2 years maybe, but it's my favorite concealer. I love it. I'm wearing it today, and the reason I love it is because it's so natural. Like, it just looks like it's your own skin. So I basically got this on Black Friday 2 years ago, and I've been wanting to get more stuff from Glossier ever since, but I buy makeup very rarely, so it's a big deal that I got anything at all. And I was just in a shopping mood, I guess, and I decided to pick up a few things. So I thought I would, unbox them for you and then also put them on and see how that looks. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let's just jump into it. Okay, so first I will just take everything out. Glossier Always Skin sends you stuff in this like pink bubble wrap thing, which I really like. It keeps everything nice and safe, and you can reuse it, which I have reused them in the past to send stuff to people. So the first thing is something I've been wanting for a very long time, and it's the Glossier Balm.com. Sorry if it's not focusing. And I got it in the coconut scent, and I'm actually like a little bit upset because the day that I bought this, I saw on my Instagram somebody said that this doesn't actually smell like coconut, it smells like popcorn. And I hope not. I guess I'm going to give it a smell myself. But I was in between this scent, coconut, or the birthday cake, and now I'm wishing that I got the birthday cake, but oh well. I will definitely give this a go, and if I like it, I can always get another one. I love the box. It has like plants on the side. It looks very, very cool. So that's the first thing. And then I decided to get some makeup as well, since it was an online order and I did have to pay for shipping, so I decided I would just get multiple things this time. So I got this, which is the Glossier Play Color Slide Techno Gel Eye Pencil. And it doesn't say the name of the color. Oh, I think Hardcore Velvet, maybe that's the name of the color. But it's this like cool teal color. I've had really bad luck with colored eyeliners, so I'm really hoping for the best with this one. Maybe I'm just like really picky or something, but the last couple like colored eyeliners I got were really terrible. So, but I do love the look of it when someone does it right, and I do it myself with eyeshadow, but I'd rather have it in a pencil, so hopefully this works for me. And then the last thing I got is something I've been wanting for a very long time as well, and it is the Cloud Paint. And this is very, very popular. It's, I think, one of their most popular products, or maybe it was one of their first products. And it's a blush. I got it in the shade Puff. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It comes in like a little tube, and I've heard these last forever because you have to use only a little bit. So I'm glad they don't give you a giant tube. I hate when they give you like so much makeup and you just know that you're never going to get through it and it's just going to go bad and you're going to have to throw out half of the product. So I'd rather they give me a small amount that I can actually go through. So yeah, so those are the 3 products. There's also, I think, a sticker in here, but I'm not going to use this on anything. But yeah, they also gave me a sticker. So that's what I got. I'm going to start off by using the Balm.com because my lips are super dry. They've been dry for a really long time now. So yeah, I feel like I could use this. So this is what it looks like. They all look like this. They have like different colors on the top. And yeah, like I just really wanted this for a while. I don't know why, but I finally used up my last expensive lip balm, which was the Laneige lip mask or something, and I thought, okay, well, I've used that one up completely, so now I deserve another one. So yeah, it's a very thick gel inside. Yeah, like, can you see? Sorry. Yeah, so it looks like a very thick, like it is like a balm. I put too much on my finger. It smells good. I think it smells like coconut oil. Yeah. No. It smells kind of like tropical, like coconut oil. No, it does smell good. Okay, I was worried, but no, it smells fine. It smells fine. So yeah, it's very like thick. Like you actually have to press quite hard to squish it. Like it's, yeah, it seems like it's really good, and it feels lovely. I put on like a lot. I didn't want to waste it. It was on my fingers, so yeah, I'm really happy with this. I'm really glad I got this. Actually, it's kind of smaller than I thought it was, but you know, that's good because I will use it up completely. So far I'm happy with the first one. It does not smell like popcorn. I don't know where they got that from. Yeah, it smells tropical and like coconutty. No, it doesn't smell like popcorn. Great. Okay, so next I'm gonna try out this eyeliner. So let me first take a look at what it looks like. The packaging is blue on the inside. And yeah, it looks like a regular pencil eyeliner. And to be honest, I'm not mad at that. Like, I've been having better luck with these pencil eyeliners lately. I got a black one in an Ipsy bag, and it's not from any like particular nice brand, but it's the best eyeliner I've used in like 2 years. So yeah, I don't know. I've just been having bad luck. So hopefully this is a good one. It's a very dark teal. I don't want to mess it up. It looks so perfect, but I will. Alright. So that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to try to draw it on. I've got like a little mirror here. Wow, I can already tell this is better than a lot of the other ones that I bought. I have a green one from Maybelline that's just totally useless, and this one is a lot better. Okay, yeah, can you see? Like, it's actually really, really nice, and it's easy to draw on. I think I love this eyeliner. As long as it stays on, it doesn't smudge. Okay, so I drew it on, and I love it. The color is exactly what I thought it was gonna be, and it's so creamy and easy to just like draw on. Like, this took me so little time. I could wear this every single day, and I just think the color is so cool. Like, it's a dark teal, and like it's a little bit extra. It's not just a regular black, so I'm a huge fan of this. Wow, this is going really well so far. I think Glossier has got to be one of my favorite brands. They have not disappointed me yet. Like, all of their products just seem like they're going to be my favorite of whatever the product is. So, wow, I'm just super happy with that. I'm going to put on just some mascara. This is the Fenty mascara. I think it's just okay. A lot of people love it, but to me it's just okay. Hey, so I just like, yeah, I can't get over how much I love this eyeliner. Like, I just love it so much. And the lip balm feels lovely and smells nice. And yeah, so far I'm just really, everything is worth the money. Glossier's got me like not wanting to buy makeup from anyone else. So let's try the cloud paint. Hopefully it'll be 3 for 3 and I will be very happy with this order. So I do often wear lipstick as blush, so I feel like I should be good at using this. So there's like a little seal. Ooh, it fell everywhere. Okay, you definitely have to be careful with this. It's very liquidy. So I'm just like taking it off the cap and trying to be careful with it. Okay, so watch out with these because, yeah, I just took the cap off and it squirted. So, oops. So now I've got some on my fingers, and actually I've got some on my leg as well. So I will just, yeah, so I've got some on each finger now. So let me try this out. It's probably too much, but I want to use what I dropped on myself. I like a lot of blush anyway. And I specifically like liquid blushes for the colder months because my skin gets very dry in, you know, fall, winter, and spring. Canada's winter is like 6 to 7 months, so I like to use a liquid blush because powders just make my face look even drier. Wow, that's really cute. What do you think? It's super natural as well. I just think that the Glossier, their products, they just look like your skin but better, your face but better, and I just love that because I love the like low-key, how low-key everything is. Wow, okay, so yeah, I think we're 3 for 3 because I really like that. And you could even put like a powder blush on top if you want like something extra. I did get the most, I think, natural looking shade, which is called Puff, because they had like some darker ones as well, especially if you have like darker skin and you still want a natural blush, because I don't think this would really show up on anyone darker than me. But yeah, what do you think? Doesn't it just look like I am naturally beautiful? Like, I just love that. Yeah, really love everything so far. They have definitely got me questioning buying products from anyone else. I would love to try their mascara. They have lip gloss, a foundation I really want to try. So I think I just want to try everything from Glossier. I wish they would have actual sales because they don't really do that, but if their products are this good, I guess they just don't need to. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I love everything. This was very successful, and I am very picky. If you watch my other videos, you will see that I am actually very picky. Yeah, turns out I'm a Glossier girl. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.